Some bathroom upgrades look incredibly expensive, but actually cost far less than you'd expect. And sometimes, a simple faucet change is all it takes to completely transform the feel of your bathroom. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're taking a look at a modern waterfall faucet that brings a clean luxury look, smooth water flow, and an upscale bathroom vibe, without the premium luxury price tag. Let's dive in. Step 1. Design. Right away, the brushed nickel finish gives this faucet a clean and modern appearance that fits perfectly in contemporary bathroom setups. The waterfall spout design adds a much more premium feel compared to traditional bathroom faucets, while the single-handle layout keeps everything looking simple and uncluttered. Even better, the faucet works with both one-hole and three-hole sink configurations using the included deck plate, making it a flexible upgrade for different bathroom styles. And because the body is made from solid brass construction, the faucet feels much more durable than many budget-friendly options in this price range. Step 2. Waterfall experience. The biggest highlight of this faucet is definitely the waterfall flow. Instead of a standard stream, the open spout creates a smooth sheet of water that gives the sink area a more relaxing and upscale atmosphere. It's a small detail, but visually it makes a huge difference during everyday use. The single handle control also makes adjusting water temperature and pressure feel simple and smooth. And since the faucet includes integrated water lines and mounting hardware, the installation process stays fairly DIY friendly for most homeowners. Step 3. Build quality. For a faucet in this price range, the overall build quality is surprisingly solid. The brushed nickel finish helps maintain a clean, modern appearance, while the brass construction adds durability for long-term daily use. The faucet is also designed with leak-resistant features and a built-in cartridge valve system to help improve performance over time. One important thing to know is that this model does not include a pop-up drain assembly, so that may need to be purchased separately depending on your setup. The faucet featured in this review is the BWE Waterfall Bathroom Faucet 6556N. 2. Luxury bathroom upgrades don't always need a luxury level budget. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next one.